Hey guys, I'm going to show you right now how to upload your MP4 files to Canvas. So you'll be uploading them in your impromptus and in your group discussions. So those will be where they go so everyone can watch them, and then I can respond to them, other people can respond to them. So you'll go here to the discussion, you'll post reply, and then you have actually two ways to do it. So if you uploaded it to YouTube, because maybe you have a YouTube channel and want to do it that way, or want to reach a larger audience, you know, whatever floats your boat, you can embed it. So if you go to YouTube, share, embed, and then you can paste that in here. Or if you don't and you just want to have it locally on Canvas, you go to this button right here that looks like a little play button. And you can record it, but I don't know if you can screen share in here, and you need to have, for this one, the impromptus, it's fine if you just use this one. But for our other speeches, you have to have PowerPoints, so you'll have to use the Zoom way of recording it. And then select a video file, and then you can go to your Zoom folder. As you can see, I have a lot of them. That's the one I'm in now. This one, I can say, okay, well, there's chapter 7, public speaking. I have to, you know, relax and let it upload all the way, so on and so forth. Oh, I'm already that bored by watching the bar go. But then you will down here submit, and then you will go down here and post your reply. But you do need to make sure to wait until the entire file is uploaded. And this one's chapter 7. It's a pretty short video, so it's a pretty small file, so it's not too bad. Your impromptus are like a minute or so, so they're going to go super fast uploading. But when you have the group speech, that's 25 to 30 minutes. Whoever is uploading that, and it only has to be one person's going to be sitting here like this and be like, okay, can I put on Netflix? You know, whatever works. So, so much, so close, almost there. And then it's going to take like 5 minutes for the last like millimeter. So it's there, and then we're going to post reply, and then the embedded ones are the ones you see like this. This is an embedded video from YouTube, and these are the media file uploads. But if you click on it, then it gets big, and then you can watch it go through, and you can say, okay, it's 11 minutes long, or the speech is a minute, or it's whatever. And this also helps keep you on track for time for your longer speeches. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this comment, because you probably don't want to see chapter 7 in the discussions, because that's not where it goes. But if you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email, shoot me a message on Canvas. It's right over here in the inbox, and I will be happy to help you in any way I can. Thanks.